Hello my dear friends. In this video I am going to show you how to fix your hard drive which is not appearing on your Windows operating system. 1. My computer disk management. And also in BIOS. For some case it will show in BIOS. If it not showing anywhere we can fix this, you need not to worry. Just follow my simple steps. Go to Windows search bar at the taskbar and search for Windows Memory Diagnostic and open this application. Next click Restart Now and check for problems. Windows will ask you to restart your computer. Now it will restart and check for hard drive errors and fixes itself. You have wait till the process is completed and it turns on your computer. This process takes a while depending on your computer performance. This process solved my problem and my hard drive appeared after it restarted my PC. If you cannot find your hard drive, go to Disk Management and there it will appear. If it asks for format, then you have to format it and create a new simple volume. That's it guys, I hope this fixed your hard drive. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And share this video and give it a thumbs up. And check out my other videos.